What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear your internet browsing history in Firefox. So you want to open up your Firefox, and on the top right hand side you want to click the burger menu, and then you want to simply go to settings. Now once you're inside settings, on the left hand side click privacy and security. Then you want to scroll all the way down to where you find history, and then you want to click on the clear history button. Now once you click on that, you'll have a few options here. You have the time range that you can simply click. It ranges from the last hour all the way up to everything, and you will decide how far you want to do it. So if you do everything, it will do like the beginning of time. For example, in Google Chrome you have the beginning of time, and in Firefox you have everything. Right, but it's up to you whichever time you want. Now there are some options here. You can choose if you want to clear browsing and downloads, cookies, cache, active logins, and even forms and search history. Now as it relates to data, you can also check site settings, and you also can do offline website data. So you can check this as well, and once you check whichever you want to clear, you can just simply go ahead and click clear now, and that will basically clear the history for you. Now once you do this, you want to close out of your browser, and then you want to reopen it again, and this should clear your browsing history in Firefox. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.